Hey guys, it's Angie. A lot of you guys have asked me about cell activator and mix and paint. So I'm just going to show you how I do. You want to get you some kind of a measurement, no matter how much you want to do. I use these little plastic ones I got at the dollar store. And I use the biggest one. It don't matter what your measurement is, as long as you do 1 part white titanium Amsterdam. If you're doing white, some people use the black, different colors. I find that the white does better than the rest, but you want to get you a good measurement on it. Then you need Floetrol. Now we shake it up, get that oil mixed in. I don't have my screen. I usually have a little screen I put over it to keep the clumps out. But you want 3 parts Floetrol. There's 1. 2. 3. Okay. Then you want to mix this really good. And I use popsicle sticks. And it's not real thick, but it's creamy. See? Okay. If you're using American Floetrol, you need to add a few drops of Minwax Shoot Bar. Well, that got a good bit in it. Pre-stain wood conditioner. Jeez Louise. Well, I don't think I need to add any more. What I normally do is take a little dropper and get about 5 or 6 drops in it. Thought that was closed good. Ah, I'm a klutz today. Yeah, you want to keep it closed. It will evaporate. It stinks. You don't want to be breathing it in a closed-in place for a long period of time. It ain't good for you. Oh, I got that stuff everywhere. Anywho, that's probably got a little too much, but it ain't gonna hurt nothing. Stir it in. There's the cell activator. Phew, that stuff is strong. Okay, for my paint, I don't measure this. I have Sherwin-Williams HGTV Home Interior Exterior High Gloss Ultra Deep Base. And I think they've quit selling this in the gallon. I think they still have quarts. Some people's using Bear. Alright. Where's my little thingy at? Bear with me. What do I do with it? Yeah, I don't see it. We'll use the scissors. And give it a little stir. And I usually fill the cup. Well, it's got a couple things in it. I'm near the bottom. About half full. And then you want to add Minwax polyacrylic to the mix. And this I put about a third more. And like I say, I don't measure. I just eyeball it. Mix this up real good. This is pretty thick. This is what you're going to mix your paints in to do a bloom. Well, everybody uses different stuff. This is what I use. It's easy to find. Don't cost a fortune. Okay, when you get it stirred up, got some specks in there. What is that? I got these little cups with the lids off of Amazon. Put you some paint in the bottom. About that much. Make sure you got it stirred up real good. And make you a cup. Now I like to make these a day ahead if I can, if I have time. That way all the air bubbles settle in. And you see how thick that is. It leaves a mound on a mound on a mound on a mound. See this? Really thick. And that's how I mix my cell activator and my paints. And then of course you pillow paints, just regular semi-gloss white house paint. Alrighty, and I'll see y'all next video. I hope that helps y'all. Have a great day. Later, Gators.